Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you an amazing opportunity to learn how to cut the perfect pixie haircut at All Skins Training Academy London. If you're looking to elevate your hairstyling skills and take your creativity to the next level, this is the course for you. All Skins Training Academy is a renowned institution that offers a wide range of haircutting courses, from basic techniques to advanced styling. With a team of highly skilled and experienced trainers, you can be confident that you'll receive the best education to become a successful hairstylist. Now let's talk about the benefits of attending this pixie haircut course. 1. Expert training. Our instructors are all highly skilled and experienced in cutting hair of all lengths. They will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you master the art of pixie cutting. 2. Interactive learning. You'll be surrounded by other aspiring hairstylists and industry professionals who can share their knowledge and inspire you to develop your creative skills. 3. Practical experience. You'll have the opportunity to practice your cutting skills on real models, which will help you perfect your technique and gain valuable feedback. 4. Affordable prices. With our low tuition fees available, anyone can afford to learn how to cut a pixie haircut at All Skins Training Academy London. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and unlock your potential to become a master in ladies' haircut. For more information or to book your place on the course, visit our website or contact us today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to grow your career in the world of hairstyling.